This channel does not promote or encourage any illegal activities. All contents provided by this channel is meant for educational purpose only.
Good morning everyone, this is video number 11 from our Excel course. I hope you find it well. In this video I'm going to show one more function, which is offset function. This function takes a starting address and a range dimensions. Then it returns the performance range. Syntax here as shown. This function takes 5 arguments. The first one is a starting position. Second one is a number of rows to move from this starting position. And the third argument is a number of columns to move from this starting position. So we can reach the first cell in our performance range. Then the last 2 arguments are the height or number of rows and the width or number of columns to complete the range borders. So the returned value here is not a number or a text or a value, it's a range. To understand this function, let's move step by step in this example. First argument is a starting position, which is cell A1. Second argument is number of rows to move, which is 3. So we move from cell row 1 to 2 and 3 and 4. Third argument is a column, number of columns to move, which is 4. So we move from column A to B to C to D, reaching column E. Now, the first cell in our performance range will be E4. The fourth argument is the height, which is number of rows to be returned. The last argument is the width, which is 2. So, now, the returned range is as shown. From cell E4 to cell F10. This is the range to be returned. Now this range will be an input to the sum function, returning 14, which is the sum of numbers existing in this range. Let's see it in Excel sheet. Here we go. In this example, I want to return this range, which containing 14 numbers, all of them 1, so its sum is 14. We want to return this range and give it an input to the sum function returning 14. For example, here I will say equal sum. I want to add some numbers. These numbers are in the range to be returned from the offset function. Offset, and we start here. The reference or the first argument is a starting cell. Now we choose this cell, which is B2. We move to reach this range. We move from the starting cell 1 to 2 rows. And then the third argument, number of columns to move. 1, 2, 3. 3 columns. Now, the performance range dimensions. Its height is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I'm sorry, it's only 7. And its width is 1, 2. And that's it. We have got 14. Thank you very much for watching this video. See you next one.